So over here, if I were to go on to the selection tool and click and drag, then I have a selection right here. I can go around and move around the selection as I like. But if I were to create another selection right here, the previous selection disappears, as you can see, just like that. And if I were to go around and move this selection is quite sharp at the moment. So let me just press Ctrl Z right here. So let's just go back onto the selection tool again. On the top, you got the selection properties, as you can see right here. Like for example, if I were to go around under Unite, then now if I were to draw another selection on top of it, then it actually adds on to the selection, as you can see right here, the previous selection that is. Apart from that, you can go around and subtract it out as well. You can also go around and choose another selection like ellipse tool right here and subtract it out like that. Apart from that, you can go around over here and go for intersect, as you can see right here, and you can intersect out the selection as well, just like this. So this is what you have. So now, apart from that, you got the feather as well. So right now, you can see that everything is sharp right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and zoom in, you can see that the selection is quite sharp, as you can see right here. But if I were to go around over here onto the selection right here. So let's just go around onto regular selection, and here I can change around the feather to 21 pixels, let's say for example. So if I were to go around and do that, now you got 20 pixels of softness added onto the selection, as you can see right here. So let's just go around, select a larger area, and you can see the softness around right here, just like this. So apart from that, you can also go around, work with anti-aliasing right here. So let's just go around, decrease the feather out right here, and then just zoom in right here, just like this. If I were to go around and select this portion out, you can see that it is not quite sharp at the end. So there is some anti-aliasing going on. But if you were to turn it off, and if I were to do a selection, then what happens is that you get a sharp selection without any anti-aliasing. So this is a sharp selection, and this is the one with anti-aliasing, as you can see right there. So apart from that, you can also go for fixed ratio, right? Width and height should be 1:1 so to get a perfect circle or square. Or you can also go for 4:3 right here, just like this, or 16:9, as you can see right here, the aspect ratio according to how you want right here. Apart from that, you can also go around over here onto original ratio right here, just like this, and simply stick onto the source file original ratio as well. You can also go for fixed size, right? It's 200 by 100 of height. Then you can simply go around and you get that particular selection area right there. So that is what you have, and you can also go around and refine out the edge right here, as you can see right here. So you can see the selection. So let's just go around and press OK right here, and you get the particular selection output right here. Let's just press Ctrl Z, and I'm going to go around and then let's say for example add the selection in right here. So just go around and add these, or maybe add these out right here. So I have some selection, let's say for example right here. And if I were to go around onto refine as, then I can see the selection area right here, and I can go ahead and add these in right here. Let's say for example I can go around and add in more selection right here by utilizing this white brush right here to add in more selection area, and then add in semi-transparency right here by using the gray area right here, and remove it off by using black as well. I can go around and zoom in and also go around, zoom in and zoom out right here. You can work around with the border right here, as you can see right here, to refine out the border of the selection as well and clear it out as well, just like this. So you can have the selection as a new layer, as a raster mask, a mask, or a selection. So let's just go for new layer and press OK, and this is what you have. You still got the old layer, but you got this selection as well. So that is how you can work around with the selection properties inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.